So walking past this bodywork shop this morning, I came across these cars. Look at this. What do we have over there? Pulsar. What sort of make is that? But look at this classic right here. This Jaguar. How beautiful is that? But we can see the state of the decay and how long it's been left here. Look at that though. What an awesome car there. Some beautiful spoilers. Unfortunately, we don't have any regs to check if they're still MOT'd. But look at that chrome work as well. And again, all the moss and mould built up around the window seal, as we always see when a car's been left for so long. You can see some of the bodywork paint just faded there and rusting away. I really would like to know what make and model is that. Obviously Pulsar. So there we go guys, it's a Nissan Pulsar. Look at that beautiful hardball. We then have this Mercedes here, E500. Incredible. A little bit of rust there. Oh, we have a reg there we could possibly check. We've got a BMW here. I reckon this is the reg plate. Obviously on the paper here seems like one of the front side skirts are off here over the wheel and the front bumper missing. It seems like it's been in some sort of accident given this cracked glass. But the classics keep coming guys. Let's look at this old Mercedes here, 230C, and I'm sure we've come across one of these before now. Absolute gem. Let's move up to the front. Absolute beauty of a car. You can see slight bits of rusting away into the metal there, but luckily this is a body shop, so they'd probably be able to fill all these gaps in. Look at this for a car though. Absolutely customed. Amazing. VTEC. We're not seeing like a make or a model. It's just like a custom steering wheel there. It's all been custom made. What's this? Hiding under there. Obviously we're not going to move it all guys, but can't even tell. There's no like front bumper alright. Actually, see if we can have a look at the hood. Not quite. Obviously I don't want to start moving things around. See if we can make it out. The look of it. What do you think it is, guys? Got a BMW here. Looks like it has had some patch ups on this front bumper here. BMW. Look at the spoiler on the back. Check this out. A Bentley Turbo. I definitely knew I had to come here to check this out. This is crazy. Sad though, look at the amount of rust around that wheel. How sad is that? The interior doesn't look too in bad shape, but it's sad to see. Look at flat tire here, and we got all the paint rusting.